So Sandy, we reached the final phase of this one product line where I was showing you the patented welding process. That's actually a part that we make that we actually consume in this assembly process, where we marry all the different components that we make in-house or outsource, put it together to get a final part, which is fully automated with just labor involved. That's just in-feeding and exiting materials in and out of the machine. So it starts with these three Komatsu presses, where we're in-feeding all of our welded components into this set of tooling that's fully automated. As you can see here, this particular cell, it's one of three that has a robot that brings the material inside the tool, and then there's a transfer arm system that carries the material throughout the three stations of the tool, and then there's another FANUC robot on the back end that takes it out of the tool, and then we put it into a general fixture that is used as carousel throughout the entire process in order to get this thing fully assembled. So right now this is being in queue. Once this thing is cleared out in the die, it'll fire off. So as you can see, the parts are being moved from station 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and then the robot will introduce a new piece here, and that process will continue as we start the automation process.
So this actually is not like the other units that we saw, which are progressive dies. This is a transfer die.
This is an example of a transfer die, yes.
Small, but definitely that's what we're looking at.
Yes. It's a loose piece that's being transferred from station to station with a transfer mechanism. Yes. And what we're doing here is taking the welded foil and we're cutting and forming the welded foil into tabs used at the end user. And everything is inspected 100% with vision system.
So that's the raw stock here, right?
Yes. So this is the welded components. This is another fixture type, and you got the welded components, and that is put onto these conveyors and introduced into the machine, where the automation system will take it from there and move the component into the tooling and start the process of marrying everything together.
Cool.
So we can walk on the back end there in a minute. I mean, that's basically just three different machines taking the four different versions that we were welding together and marrying them into this fixture that flows through the entire automation process. This fixture is designed with pilots that engage all the pilot holes we have in all the different types of materials that we're introducing into the fixture. And that carousel is rotated throughout the entire process in order to marry everything together and assemble it and then pack it out automatically.